Do you wake up in the morning feeling like your joints are completely rusted? Maybe your knees ache when you walk down a simple flight of stairs, your hands feel stiff, and you have this constant low-level fatigue that just won't leave you alone. If you are over 50, doctors or friends might have told you that this is just a normal part of getting older, just wear and tear. But I am here to tell you that it's not just aging. What you are likely feeling is a silent fire inside your body, chronic inflammation. When we cross the age of 50, our bodies become less efficient at clearing out this inflammation. It builds up in your joints, muscles, and bloodstream, mostly fueled by the standard American diet. But the great news is that you have the power to put out that fire. Today, I am giving you 5 powerful, everyday anti-inflammatory foods you need to start eating right now to reduce that stiffness and get your energy back. Let's start with number 1, blueberries. These little fruits are absolute powerhouses. They are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins, which give them their dark color. These compounds literally turn off inflammatory genes in your body. Adding just a handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal can start protecting your cells today. Moving on to number 2, fatty fish, specifically wild-caught salmon, mackerel, or sardines. If your joints are screaming in pain, your body is begging for omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s disrupt the production of inflammatory chemicals. Think of them as the natural oil that lubricates your rusted joints. If you are not eating fatty fish at least twice a week, you are missing out on one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. Number 3 is extra virgin olive oil. Forget processed seed oils like canola or soybean oil. Those actually cause the inflammation you are trying to stop. True extra virgin olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal. Studies show that oleocanthal works in a very similar way to over-the-counter pain medications like ibuprofen, but it is completely natural and safe for your stomach. Now, by this point, you might be thinking, okay, adding blueberries and olive oil sounds great, but how do I actually structure my meals every day without getting completely overwhelmed? Changing your diet after 50 can feel frustrating if you don't know where to start at the grocery store. If you want a simple step-by-step shortcut to fix this, I highly recommend checking out the Anti-Inflammatory Diet Guide Without Experience. It is a complete, easy-to-follow guide designed specifically for beginners. It gives you the exact blueprint to lower inflammation without complicated recipes. I'll leave a link for it in the description and the pinned comment below. It is the best investment you can make for your joints. Let's get back to our list with number 4, dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. As we age, our immune system needs more support to regulate how it responds to inflammation. These greens are loaded with vitamin E and magnesium, which play a crucial role in protecting your body from inflammatory molecules. Having a simple side salad with your dinner can make a massive difference in how you feel the next morning. And finally, number 5, turmeric. This golden spice has been used for thousands of years, and modern science finally backs it up. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is incredibly powerful and actively blocks inflammatory enzymes and pathways in the body. But here's the secret. To make sure your body actually absorbs it, you must always mix your turmeric with a tiny pinch of black pepper. The black pepper increases absorption by up to 2,000%. By adding these 5 foods to your daily routine, you are giving your body the exact tools it needs to fight inflammation, stop joint pain, and give you your vitality back. You deserve to enjoy your 50s, 60s, and beyond without pain. Don't forget to grab your copy of the Anti-Inflammatory Diet Guide Without Experience in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend who might be struggling with joint pain. Let me know in the comments, which of these 5 foods are you going to try first? Stay healthy, and I will see you next time.